Hi guys, today we will discuss Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, which is commonly known as INMO. We will explore what INMO is, its significance, eligibility criteria, the number of candidates who appear for the exam, and the test pattern. INMO is a prestigious mathematics competition held annually in India. It serves as a platform to identify and nurture young mathematical talent in our country. Being a part of INMO is an incredible opportunity for students to showcase their problem-solving abilities and creativity in challenging mathematical problems. INMO plays a vital role in selecting the best minds to represent India at the International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO, where students compete with their peers from around the world. To be eligible for INMO, students go through a two-stage selection process. The first stage is the Regional Mathematics Olympiad, RMO, conducted at various centers across India. Those who excel in RMO qualify for the second stage, which is INMO. Only the most outstanding students from RMO are invited to participate in INMO, making it a highly competitive and prestigious competition. Each year, numerous students from different regions participate in RMO. However, only a select few make it to INMO. The number of candidates appearing for INMO is relatively smaller than RMO, ensuring that only the most talented and dedicated individuals progress to the final stage of the competition. The INMO consists of a challenging examination with a set of complex mathematical problems. These problems cover various branches of mathematics, including algebra, number theory, geometry, and combinatorics. Participants are required to provide proof-based solutions, demonstrating their profound understanding and problem-solving skills. The test evaluates their ability to think critically, creatively, and logically in solving intricate mathematical puzzles. We appreciate your presence in this significant video. At YumQuiz, our mission is to develop resources that assist students in excelling in their INMO exams.